My most popular video is create a TCP server in C++. It gets around 3,000 views per month. That's amazing. And it's been watched by over 290,000 people since I uploaded it, which is incredible. The largest amount of questions therefore come from this video, and from them it's around the port not binding to the socket, and this is common because the port is sometimes in use by other programs. However, it's not always easy to figure out the real reason. I usually tell people to just use WSA getLastError, but that gives you an error code that you have to look up. We can easily wrap the bind call around an if check and output to the console, but we're really just guessing what the contents of WSA getLastError means. Instead, let's add a function that you can use to give you a description of what went wrong. But I need to point out that this is only going to work with Windows type situation, folks. We're not going to be using anything for Linux here. It's only a pure WinSock function, the WSA getLastError. Let's start by creating a function called showLastError. This function is going to call another Windows function called formatMessageW. It takes the WinSock error as input, it looks up an internal table, and then fills in this buffer S with the message. Now that we have that function, let's go ahead and add a forward declaration to the new function. Finally, if the bind fails, call showLastError function. And that's it. Save and run it. And then when the bind fails, the error is output to the console and it's easy to see what's gone wrong. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it on social media as well, that really helps the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget you can hit the old subscribe button and notification bell down the bottom of this video. And the source code is available in a link in the description box as well. So until next time, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.